I am now in my 52nd year of doing x-rays. I have been through probably 5 to 6 new rooms, going back from where we started with hand developing, and now we're digital. It is one of the simplest machines that I have ever used. The table lowers to the floor. We don't have to lift anybody, and patients are getting heavier and heavier. We don't have to worry about a patient falling off our footstool or a patient getting hurt. You know, you lower it down, you raise it up, it's to their level. It's very quick. You know immediately whether or not you have a good picture. Positioning is very easy, much easier, I think, than it ever has been. And the support staff is amazing. Brown's Medical Imaging, you know, they are so helpful and so willing to work with us to get things the way we like it.